on ENEGs. This is Native Nature Outdoor, and we're camping on the Vassar. Me and my stepson, and we got the tent set up. We're gonna get a fire. We're gonna cook on a grill, I bet. So, peace out. There's the tent, and I got the solar panel hooked up to the light I got off TMU. Charging the light bulb. Go for a walk, looking for mushrooms. Found a bolete. Take tomorrow. A couple other mushrooms, parasols that I don't touch. Where's the other one?
That was the one.
Was it?
I haven't been out here yet.
Bunch of blueberry bushes, no blueberries yet.
There's blueberries down there.
Is there?
Yeah, not big ones.
Let's go check. Blueberries, green, not blue yet. Huckleberry. So Dylan's toasting a hamburger bun. We had a couple of hamburgers going. We had steaks earlier. Nice little charcoal grill I got for Father's Day. Been putting it to use, and it works real good when you're out camping in a tent. Instead of cooking over a fire, makes everything much easier. Go to bed. Peace out. Bumpy. So, I had about 4 hours of sleep. The mosquitoes are bad. I got my face mask on, making coffee. That's not too bad now, but stepson's hauling shit back. I am gonna have some coffee and go home. The mosquitoes are bad. It's like 7:38 in the morning. It was fun. We cooked, did everything. But yeah, we gotta get going. The mosquitoes are horrible out here. They're big. And I didn't bring no mosquito dope. So when you go camping, bring your mosquito dope. So Bama PNGs, Native Nature, Outdoor Adventure, out.